Construction of circle, Part 1. Today we will learn different ways to construct a circle.
What are you making? I'm trying to make a round figure, but I'm just not able to. Oh, your method is wrong. Let me show you the right way to make a round figure. Show me. Why have you taken out this tiffin box? I will tell you, but first you tell me, what is the shape of this tiffin box? This tiffin box is round. Yes. Now I'll keep this on a paper. And I'll trace its boundary with a pencil. Now let us lift the tiffin box. Look, a round figure is created. Okay, now I understand. What other objects can we use to make a round figure? Please tell me. Ring. A ring is also round. The ring will make a very small round figure. To make a big round figure, we can use a plate. If we have to make a bigger round shape, what can we use? We can make a bigger round shape using the tire of a cycle. What if we have to make an even bigger round shape? To make an even bigger round shape, we will need a long wooden stick. How will you make it with a stick? Let me show you. Look, I am standing here. As I turn around, the stick will make a round shape on the ground. Wow, I didn't think of this method. But how will we make round shapes bigger than this? What is the need to make a bigger round shape? Come, I will show you. Why did you bring me to the football ground? To show you this round shape. Oh, this is very big. But how was this made? Even I want to know the same thing.
A thread and nail is used to make this.
Nail and thread?
Yes, nail and thread.
How, sir?
It is very easy. You go to the park. I'll come there with a nail and thread.
Sir, make a round shape and show us.
I'll definitely show you. But first you should know that in the language of mathematics, it is called a circle, not a round.
Circle?
Yes. Now see how a circle is made. For this, we will first tie the thread to the nail. Then we will hammer the nail at one place in the ground. Now we will hold the front end of the thread firmly and walk around the nail to create a circle. We can use a stick or any other sharp object to make the circle on the ground. See, a complete circle is made.
Using this method, we can make big round shapes. Don't call it a round shape, it's a circle. Oh yes, circle.
Yes, we can make a very big circle using this method. And in your football field, big circles are made this way.
Using this method, we can make circles of every size, big and small. Now we will always keep a nail and thread with us.
This means that you have not been taught how to use a compass in the classroom.
Compass? What is that?
Look, this is a compass. It is a tool which helps us make circles.
How, sir? Please show us how it works.
Of course. Look at the compass. One side has a sharp pointed end, and the other side holds the pencil.
The pencil is fixed in such a way that the writing end of the pencil and the pointed end of the compass are on the same line. Now pull apart the compass.
Keep the pointed end on the paper and make sure that it does not move from its place while making the circle. Now we turn the pencil end on the paper. The pencil starts creating a circle on the paper. Once the circle is complete, remove the compass from the paper.
Wow! This is an amazing tool. We can easily make a circle with this. Now we know 4 methods to draw a circle, isn't it?
Which 4 methods? I told only 2.
One is by tracing the edge of round objects. The second is by holding something that can make a mark and then making a line around you. The third method is with the help of nail and thread. and fourth by using a compass.
Good. Now you go to your class and I'll go to my class. Construction of circle, Part 2. Today we will learn how to find the center of a circle-shaped paper.
What are you making? I'm trying to make a spinning top with paper and a stick. Yes, I had read in a book that to make a spinning top, you can cut a paper in the shape of a circle, then put a stick right through its center and then spin it. So make it. Are you facing any problem? The problem I'm facing is that I'm using a bangle to cut a paper circle. But how do I find the center of this circle? Please tell me. This can be done easily. Give me the paper. I will do it. See, I take the paper and fold it in half. Now I straighten it out. Look at the line that is going through the middle of the paper. Now I fold it again and fold this half into half again. Now when we open it, we see two lines crossing each other at a point. This point is the center of the circle. Wow! This is a great way to find the center of the circle. Let's fix this stick in the center and spin the top. But you could have done this with a compass. In a circle made with a compass, it's easier to find the center. I could not find my compass, and so I had to draw a circle like this. No problem, I have a compass. Let's make spinning tops of different sizes. Look, there is a mark in the center after making it with a compass. Now it has become easy for us to make a spinning top. Now we will make many spinning tops. This is going to be fun. Let us spin our tops.
Vandana, come to the garden. I have to draw a circular mark around this tree.
Why, Mummy?
When a circular pit is made around a tree, the water given to it remains around the tree and does not flow out. See, just like it has been made around the rest of the trees.
Okay, Mummy, we will help you.
Actually, I have to go and cook. Will you both make a circle around it?
Yes, Auntie, we will make it.
Thank you, Neha.
Let's go and get the compass. What for? To make a circle around the tree. What else? The compass we have is small. How can we make such a big circle with it? Then how will we make it? With a nail and thread? Yes, we can make it with a nail and thread. Let's go and get a nail and thread. Wait, I think we will not need a nail. Only a thread will suffice. How will we make it only with a thread? We won't make it only with a thread, but with the tree and thread. How will we make a circle with the tree and thread? See, we use the nail so that it stays fixed in one place, while we turn the thread around it to make a circle. Absolutely right. Here we have a tree, which will stay fixed. Just tie a thread around it and move it around the tree. A circle will be made. Oh yes, let's make it then. A circle has been made. Now let's show it to Mummy.
Oh, I forgot to tell you how to make a circle. Hey, you made it yourself? How?
It was easy, Mummy, using a thread.
Oh wow, you both are getting older and smarter.
Today we learned that useful objects can be made using the center point of a circle. To find the center of a circle-shaped paper, it has to be folded in half and then half again. A circle can be used to make fun things
such as a spinning top,
and useful things like a pit around a tree. You can also try and find useful and fun items around you where a circle has been used. Construction of circle, Part 3. Today we will learn why is it important to have knowledge of the center and radius to make a perfect circle.
What are you doing, Ayushman?
Preparations for the sports day are going on, and I've been given the duty to put flags in the center of these circles.
The flag should be placed in the center of the circle. But you have not put any flag in the center of any circle.
Look carefully. All flags are in the center of the circles. All are placed inside them.
Oh, there are many points inside a circle. This does not mean that all points will be considered as a center of the circle.
Then what do we consider as the center of the circle?
You don't have to assume the center. The center is already there. Do you remember the definition of a circle given in our book?
No.
I will tell you. The point inside a circle that lies right in the middle is called the center of a circle.
Okay. This means that the center is not just anywhere in the circle, but right in the middle of the circle.
Yes. And if we draw several lines from the center to different points on the boundary of the circle, then all those lines will be of the same length. Whereas if we draw lines from the point where the flags has been placed, they will all be of different lengths.
Oh, now I have understood the mistake. Oh, now I will have to place the flags again.
This time place them in the center, else you will have to do this again and again. What are you making, Riyansh?
Sir has given me the duty to make circles. The flags will be placed inside them.
Yes, I saw Ayushman placing the flags. But the circle you're making is not right.
Why? What is wrong in it?
Show me how you make a circle. Only then I can tell you what the mistake is.
Okay, I am making it the same way Sir taught us in class. See.
Stop!
What happened?
While making a circle, the radius should remain the same. You cannot change the radius.
Meaning?
This means that the thread we have tied to the nail is tied so that the radius of the circle can be determined. Its length cannot change. When we hammer the nail in one place and pull the other end of the thread, hold it firmly and move it around the nail. Then the whole circle gets created.
Okay, but what is wrong with the circle I have made?
Look, in this circle, we will make different lines from the center to the boundary. See, all radii are of different lengths, whereas they should be the same length. A circle cannot have radii of different lengths. While drawing a circle, the radius should be kept the same.
Oh, now I understood. But I'll have to make all these circles again. Vandana is happy today because she helped Ayushman and Riyansh. She told Ayushman that a circle can have only one center and told Riyansh that while making a circle, its radius cannot be decreased or increased. If you pay attention in your class, you will not have to repeat your work like Riyansh and Ayushman.